Okay, we are here at People's Park of Davao. This is the most popular park in Davao. And dito tayo muna mon. This is a main ano nila. Oh, it just so happened that we got a special entrance kasi 1 o'clock pa siya magbubukas pero binigyan nila ng special consideration because I am from Manila, Manila Times. So kahit 12:30 pa lang pinapasok na kami. So dito, the park is all ours for 30 minutes. After that, ano na, open to the public na. Dito kasi ako lumaki sa Davao, so during my time this place was PTA grounds. So dito ginagawa yung mga sports meets, may swimming pool, may field, may track and field, pero ginawa nilang People's Park. And of course mas maganda is for everybody. So ito yung shade, mga trees, very artistic yung place. Fountain. So at night time merong fountain show dito. Yeah, playground for kids. So may mga pine trees, iba-ibang klase ng puno ng halaman. Yan. So merong trail. So hindi found falls.
Paggabi pero not sure if napalong na ba niya.
Walang durian dito.
Sa salad wala.
Kumakain sila ng durian. Saan ang building yan?